Lufkin Shot Force Tape Measure by Crescent Tools. Shot Force. Virtually indestructible, they say. Let's see what the old girl's made of. Woo! Sucks as a yo-yo, I can tell you that. Let's see what she does on the free fall. Whoops. Oh my God, it cracked my concrete. You in for it now. Like right here. Let's see how you like the old baseball bat. See what we got for you, huh? Into the pool. All right. You're really starting to make me mad now. Yeah, I spent good money, $8 on this tanner rack. Shot force, right? Shot force. We're gonna give it some shot force. Lead sled, check. 300 Win Mag, check. Hearing protection, check. Engage. Bye-bye, Lufkin Shot Force. Target acquired. There ain't nothing like blowing stuff up. How do you like me now, Lufkin? Come on, let's go see what you got. Let's see what you made of. Look at the explosion. Wood everywhere. More wood. Tape man. Hair shit. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Look at that. All right, Lufkin. You passed the test. The tannerite test, the redneck test. This is one tough tape measure. And it's staying in my pocket now, y'all.